Hi guys, my name is Tomasz. The company is called ChallengeRocket, and we want to reinvent the way that IT specialists are recruited in 21st century. And I know that sounds like a very big mission, a bold statement made from this stage, but this thing calls for a change. Here are some really pain problems right now. IT talents are in high demand and they are getting incredibly hard to reach. Traditional channels like LinkedIn or job boards are not working anymore, especially taking into consideration the fact that the best specialists are already employed. And what's even a bigger challenge is to properly assess the technical candidate during recruitment, because it takes time. It takes a lot of time to discover his true coding capacities, and you need to sit with the person. It's a manual process that takes a couple of hours at least, and those are big global problems that are not going anywhere anytime soon, and organizations all around the world spend thousands of hours every day at this process. Our solution in 3 words is, in the first place, to run a challenge. As simple as that. With our platform, we're allowing brands all around the world to run creative programming challenges, and this way to discover some talents that are not accessible through any other way. And this is simply working because it's a common trait of the best and most ambitious developers, that they love to get challenged, they love to have fun in the process and learn the process as well. And challenges come in different forms and sizes. They are online, on-site and online challenges. And just to give it an example how it works directly on our platform, it all starts with a task. Task might be, so write some code that analyzes a piece of data or plays a strategy game, and you code directly on our browser, and your code has been executed and it's been automatically verified whether it is working right or wrong by simply checking, for example, if it's making the right moves. So this is already quite smart because the organizations are getting automated, unified, and a biased process. They can spot talents very, very easily, but that's not it. In fact, the story gets really interesting here because we are employing artificial intelligence methods to actively observe how users are dealing with their tasks, how they are structuring their solutions, how they are working, what's their design style, what's their code structure, because it's really as important as the solution. So, in result, our big vision is that not only developers look great, but also they're getting a smart process of the recruitment. And we're the first company in the global scale who is applying this technology. We're pretty young right now, we're just taking off, but despite that, we've already managed to attract some of the top clients who are using our technology to attract some crowds and to verify their skills in a way not accessible anywhere else. HR specialists right now, let me make a quick reference to the previous presentations, are making no mistakes. They are simply doing nothing. And we believe this field calls for a change. Thank you for your attention.
Okay. Well done for getting some clients, some big clients. Any questions from the jury?
How do you make money with this?
How do you make money?
How do you make money?
This is a good question.
That's the key question.
So in the first place, we are licensing our technology, so if organizations want to use it to automatically assess developers during recruitment process, they're getting automated process, they're getting process that is unified across different organizations and it's standardized, so they're paying us for this. On top of that, we are providing developers directly, and we are providing very unique developers that were not accessible through any other channels because they are employed, and we can attract them through open challenges, through online and open challenges, which is another source of revenue we have. And here's the interesting story. Actually, one of our clients helped us, Samsung Poland, helped us to discover usage of our service that we have not thought about earlier on. They said, we love your service, we love your technology. They verified it, and they said we want to use it, but we want to use it inside our organization to test developers that we are already employing and to learn them new things. So this is basically 3 ways that we're making profit.
Okay, thank you. One more question.
And then how do you see yourself in the competitive landscape, and what's your main differentiator?
Okay, so there are already companies out there who are trying to use this challenge-centric model of recruitment, but we are the first one and the only one, as I know, that is using this artificial intelligence algorithm. And it is really a huge game changer, because in the end, it's not only that interests you whether or not software code return a good result, but what was the working style of the person. That's important. So this is our first differentiating factor. The second thing is that In Europe, we have literally no competition for that. So we are the first platform that is curating challenges and hackathons, and both in online or offline form. So I believe that put us in a pretty good spot.
Very nice. Thank you very much to Tomasz Florczak from ChallengeRocket.
Thank you a lot.